Good morning, students. Welcome back to math session on the chapter arithmetic progression. Due to technical issues, yesterday a video of only 16 minutes got uploaded. We shall continue with the same exercise in today's session. Moving ahead with the next question. In the following APs, find the missing terms in the boxes. So this is third main. In that first one, 2, a blank space is given, a box is given, 26. This is the question. So we are given that this sequence is arithmetic progression. Okay, we are given that this particular sequence is arithmetic progression. And we are asked to find out what? Missing term in the box. Right? First, I will note down what we are given and what we are asked to compute. Okay. In this question, dear students, we are given A, that is T1, first term, which is 2. This is given to us. Next, first term is given, second term we need to find out, and third term is given, T3 is given as 26. What is asked us to compute? We are asked to compute T2 is what? Keenly observe the question. We are asked to find out the missing term in the box. So in this box, missing term is nothing but our second term. So in this question, we need to compute T2. To compute T2, what we are given? We are given T1 and T3. Now, what will be T2 formula? Yes, T2 formula is A plus D. If you want to compute T2, you will be using this particular formula, is that not? It means you need to know A value and D value. Yes, already we know A value, only I need to find out D value to compute T2. Are you getting my point? In this question, we are asked to find out the missing term in the box. Missing term in the box is nothing but the second term, T2. What will be T2 formula? T2 is nothing but A plus D. A is given, only I need to compute D value. How do I get that D value? With the help of T3. Now I will take T3, dear students. T3 is given as what? 26. In case of arithmetic progression, T3 is nothing but our A plus 2D. Do you agree? T3 stands for A plus 2D is equal to 26. We know already A value is 2 plus 2D is equals to 26. 2D is equal to plus 2. If I shift it to the right side, 26 minus 2, that is 24. This is 2 ones are 2 12s are. So we get D value as what? 12. Now we are having D value. So we are having A value as well as D value. So now we can find out the missing term in the box. That is T2. What is T2 formula? In case of arithmetic progression, using another term formula, T2 is our A plus D. A value is 2 plus D value is 12. So 12 plus 2, it is 14. Hence the missing term in the box is 14. This is the solution. Okay. Let us consider second one now. beginning, comma, 13, again a box, comma, 3. This is the question. We need to find out what again? Missing term in the box. Right. First, let us try to understand what are given and what is asked to compute. We are asked to compute missing terms. Missing terms are our first term and third term. Are you getting my point? This is first term, this is second term and third term. So here missing terms are what? T1 and T3. These two are the missing terms. To find out these two missing terms, what we are given? We are given T2 as 13 and we are given T4 as 3. T2 is 13, T4 is our 3. Now I am going to introduce you one new formula which is not there in your reader, but it will save you much of the time. What is that formula? Generally, dear students, how do we find out D value? We find out D value using the formula T2 minus T1. Yes, term minus its preceding term. It is not always that you need to use D formula as T2 minus T1. Even you can use formula as term, you choose any term minus its preceding T2. Even you can use D formula as a T4 minus T3. It is up to you which formula you use. And this formula is used when two continuous terms of the arithmetic progression are known. Continuous. T1, T2, T2, T3, T3, T4, T5, T4 like this. T4, T5 like this. If two continuous terms of the arithmetic progression are not known, in that case also we can find out D value using this formula. You need to remember this as a key point. This is an important point. Actually, if we follow your NCERT approach, it takes more of our time, right? So if I use this particular key point, I will get the solution very easily. What is that? If any two terms, I am not using the word successive, continuous, any two. If any two terms, let us name them as TP and TQ. If any two terms TP and TQ of AP are known, then we get D value using the formula TP minus TQ divided by P minus, this is the formula. Yes? If any two terms, any two TP and TQ, if they are known to you, in that case D value is computed by using the formula D equals to TP minus TQ divided by P minus Q. Here I know two terms of the arithmetic progression. TP is our T2 here, isn't it? TQ is our T4. Any two terms, not continuous, any two terms. In that case, what is the formula? TP, one term, that is T2, minus TQ, that is T4. TP, that is T2, one term. TQ, that is another term, that is T4, divided by P minus Q. So here P and Q are the subscripts of the terms, that is 2 minus 4. So what is T2 value? 30 minus what is T4 value? 3 divided by 2 minus 4 is minus 2. So 13 minus 3 is 10 divided by minus 2, which is our minus 5. So this is how we get D value in this problem. Right? Is that clear? Okay. Now what else I need? I need A value. How do I get that A value? To get A value, either you take the help of second term or fourth term. See, in this question, you know second term and fourth term. Using any one of the term, you can compute A value. I will take T2 here. So we have T2. We have T2 equals to what? 13. What is T2 formula? A plus D equals to 13. T2 of arithmetic progression is nothing but our A plus D. That is A plus D equal to 13. I want A value plus D value is minus 5 equal to 13. A plus into minus 5 equal to 13. This is A equal to 13 plus 5. So A value becomes our 18. A is nothing but what? T1. So we have found out first term as 18. So we have found out one missing term in the box, that is 18. Next I need to find out T3. Is that correct? So what will be T3 formula? It is A plus 2D. Just now we have found out A value as 18 plus 2 into D value as minus 5. This is 18 plus into minus minus 2 5 are 10. 18 minus 10 is 8. So here missing term is our 8. Okay, is that clear? Right? So you need to remember this important formula. Even there is another approach to get D value which takes more time. Many students, when they come out of exam hall, especially after completing maths exam, they say that they couldn't get sufficient time. It happens because they fail to use time precisely during examination. As per math subject is concerned, timing management, timing aspect is very crucial, right? So this is your time saver formula. If I know any two terms which are not successive, in that case D is given by the formula TP, that is one term, whatever it may be third term, sixth term, seventh term, minus DQ divided by P minus Q. You get D value. You need to know A value. To find out A value, you take either the help of a second term, dear students, or the help of fourth term. You get A value. Okay. So we'll move with the next question now. Five. A box is given, comma. A box is given, comma. 9. 1 upon 2. A mixed fraction is given. First, let us note down what we are given and what we are asked to find out. Okay. So here we are given first term, that is T1, that is A. T1 is given as 5. Right? Even I had mentioned you when I was discussing sequence, T1 is equal to A and even it is denoted as A1, T2 as A2, T3 as A3, similarly Tn as An. Both means one and the same. I can denote the first term as T3 or A3. I can denote the nth term as Tn or An. Okay. Now. So we are given T1 that I have noted. What else we are given, dear students? We are given T4. T4 is given as 9, 1 upon 2. A mixed fraction is given as a T4. I will first convert it into a normal fraction. How do we convert a mixed fraction into normal fraction? We will multiply these two. 9 2s are 18 plus 1, 19 upon 2. Is that clear? So T4 is given as a mixed fraction. This mixed fraction is now converted into what? Normal fraction. How do we do it? We will multiply these two numbers. 9 2s are 18. It will be added with 1. 18 plus 1, 19 upon 2. What we are asked to compute? We are asked to compute T2. We are asked to compute T3. Okay. To compute T2, what is formula? A plus D. To compute T3, what is formula? A plus 2D. What we need to know? We need to know A value and D value. ನೀವು T2 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ T3 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾಗಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು A ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತೆ D ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. These are the two values which we need to know to find out any term of the arithmetic progression. Yes. Now think, are we having A value? Yes, we are having A value. What I need to find out now? It is just D. How do I get D? I will take the help of T4. What is T4 in fact? A plus 3D. From that I get what? D value, because A is known to us. Now I will use it. We are given T4 as what? 19 by 2. How can we write T4, dear students? T4 is nothing but our A plus 3D is equals to 19 upon 2. From this, 3D is equal to 19 by 2 minus A. A value is our 5. 3D equals to 19 by 2 minus 5. Right? If there is nothing at the denominator, we take it as 1. Whenever we add or subtract the fractions, we use LCM of the denominator. What is LCM of 2 and 1? It is 2. To get this 2 must be multiplied with 1. To get this 2, 1 must be multiplied with 2. Right? So this is 19 ones are 19, 5 twos are 10. So 3D is equal to, it becomes how much? 9 by 2. 19 minus 10, 9 upon 2. So D is equal to 9 upon 2 into 3. This 3 will occupy denominator when it is carried to the right side. So 3 ones are 3 threes are. So what is our D value here? D value is 3 by 2. I hope steps are very clear to you with all respects. Is it right? We are given first term, we are given fourth term. Fourth term is given as a mixed fraction. We have expressed it into a normal fraction. Okay, agreed. Then, which terms we want? We are asked to find out missing terms. So, missing terms are second term and third term. To find out any term of the arithmetic progression, we know that we need to know A value and D value. Averadu gottidre saaku. Think, do I know A value? Yes, I know. What else I need? Just I need D value. How do I get that D value? With the help of this fourth term. What is T4? 19 by 2. T4 can be written as A plus 3D. Simplify it, you get D value as what, dear students? We get D value as 3 divided by 2. Agreed? D value is 3 divided by 2. Now I will go for computing T2. T2 is, what is the formula? A plus D. So A value is 5 plus D value is 3 by 2. If there is nothing at the denominator, we note it as 1. So what is LCM of 1 and 2? It is 2. 1 2s are 2, so it becomes 10. 2 1s are 2, so it becomes 3. So our T2 will become what? 13 divided by 2. This is our T2. Next I want T3. T3 formula is A plus 2D. A value is 5 plus 2 into D value is 3 divided by 2. I don't say here that sir we will take LCM. No. When we add or subtract fractions, we go for LCM. Otherwise, direct cancellation. So 2 and 2 cancels out. This is 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So finally we came to know that missing term T2 is our 13 by 2 and missing term T3 is our 8. This is the solution. Okay. I hope your Channappa sir has used notations like A1, A2, AN. Even you can use T1, T2, so on up to Tn. It is up to you. It is not mandatory that we need to use notations as A1, A2, A3 or T1, T2, T3. All are correct notations, right? I will solve fifth one. Fourth one, I will leave it for you. You need to solve it at your home. And just post the answer in your WhatsApp group. Okay. So I will directly take fifth one. A box is given, comma, 38, comma, box, box, another box, comma, minus 20. This is the question. Okay. First note down what is given and what is asked. We are given T2, 38, right. T2, T3, T4, T5, we are given T6. Yes, correct adalre. T2 38 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, T6 ಅನ್ನ -22 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ? What we are asked? T1, T3, T4, T5. Okay, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. Agree? Right? See how do we get it? Whenever we know two terms of the arithmetic progression, not continuous, any two terms of the arithmetic progression, how do we find the t value? Tp minus Tq divided by P minus Q. Tp is T2, Tp, Tq is T6, Tp minus Tq divided by P minus Q. So T2 is our 38 minus T6 is our minus 22. 2 minus 6 is our minus 4. This is 38 minus into minus plus 22 divided by minus 4. 38 plus 22 is our 60 divided by minus 4. 4 ones are 4. 2 is left. 4 5s are 20. So what will be our d value, dear students? D value is minus 15. Is that clear? To use this formula, arithmetic progression the ಎರಡು continuous formula ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ d ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀವಿ? term minus its preceding term. If I do not know two continuous terms, in that case d is computed as Tp one term minus Tq divided by P minus Q. So we get d value as finally minus 15. D is ready with us now. I need to know even a value. As I have already mentioned you, if I want to find out any particular term of the arithmetic progression, we need to know a value as well as b value. Somehow we have found out d value. Now what else we need to compute? We need to compute even a value. How do we get that a value? Take the help of any one known term. Here I will take the help of T2. In fact, T2 is a plus b. So a plus b is equals to what? 38. A equals to 38 minus d. A equal to 38 minus d is minus 15. This is 38 minus into minus plus 15. What is 38 plus 15? 48. 53. This is our a value. A value is nothing but our first term. Yes, we have found out first missing term, that is 53. Similarly, I need to compute T3, T4, T5, which can be done very easily with the nth term formula. Yes, what is T3 formula? A plus 2D. So we know A value as 53 plus 2 into B value is minus 50. 53 plus into minus minus 15 2s are 30. Is that not? So what is 53 minus 30? This is 23. So here missing term is our 20. T3 is ready with us. Next, I want T4. What is T4 formula? A plus 3D. We know A value as 53 plus 3 into what is the D value? D value is minus 50. So this is 53 plus into minus minus 15 3s are 45. So this comes to be 8. Right? So here missing term is our 8. So what else we need? We need even our T5. What is T5 formula? A plus 4 into D. So what is A value? 53 plus 4 into what is the D value? Yes. So D value is minus 15. This is 53 plus into minus minus 15 fours are 60. This is our minus 7. This is how we find out all the missing terms, right? So one problem I have kept for your practice. I will write down that question even if you are not having NCERT reader with you. The question is like this. You need to complete it on your own, dear students. Minus 4. 4 boxes are given, comma 6. Okay. Simply I will explain you the steps you need to follow in this problem. Here A is given, that is T1 is given as minus 4. T6 is given as 6. So what we are asked? T2, T3, T4, T5. We are asked to find out these terms. Okay, these are the terms we want. To find out any term of the arithmetic progression, as we know, we need to know A value and D value. A ಮತ್ತು D ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸನೇ ಮುಗಿತು. A ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನಾ ನನಗೆ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Yes, I know A value as minus 2. I need to just find out D value. How do I get the D value? Take the help of this T6. What is T6 given as 6? What is T6 formula? It's A plus 5D equals to 6. Using this formula, in the place of A, you write down minus 4, you will get D value. Okay? Try this problem. If you do not get solution, let me know in the group so that in tomorrow's class I can discuss this problem. Okay? Shall we move ahead with the next question? Right. Fourth question. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18, so on is 78? This is the question. Okay. So I will solve this problem, and a problem of similar nature I will give you as a homework. You need to attempt it. Okay. Always remember the key point to score 100 out of 100 in mathematics is practice. Practice more and more problems. That gives you a lot of confidence. It will boost confidence level in you. Right? Okay. So first let me to note down the given AP. Given AP is 3, 8, 13, 18, so on. Okay, this is the given AP. In this given AP, dear students, if I ask you what is T3, are you in a position to tell it? Yes, you will say that sir, T3 is our 30. If I ask you what is T4, are you in a position to answer it? Yes, you say that sir, it is 18. If I ask you what is T10, you say that sir, we need to find it out. Is that not? So question is like this now. If you go on writing down the terms of this arithmetic progression, chalo artha madkodri question ana. If you go on writing down the terms of this arithmetic progression, you are going to get 78 as one of the term, but you do not know what is its position. Are you getting my point? ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು 4 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನಲ್ರಿ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್. ನೀನು ಈ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 78 ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 78 as one number. You need to find out what is its position. Okay, is that clear? Now from the given EP we will note down a value. A value is our 3, that is first term. We will note down t value, that is our t2 minus t1. 8 minus 3, that is our 5. Okay, now I need to find out which term of the arithmetic progression is 78. ಎಷ್ಟನೇ term? 10th term, 11th term, 12th term, ಅದು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Which term of the arithmetic progression is 78? Whenever you do not know position of a term in arithmetic progression, take it as Tn, because n will generally denote what? Position of the term. I will repeat my sentence. Whenever you do not know the position of a term, if you want to find out position of the term, take it as Tn. Right? Shall I write this point here for your reference? When you do not know the position of term in AP, call it as Tn. Okay. I do not know 78 is which term, whether it is 11th term, 30th term, I don't know. When you do not know position of the term of the arithmetic progression, if you are asked to find out position, which term means position, you take that term as Tn. If you find out n value, you will come to know that this is 10th term, 11th term, like this. Okay, so we'll take Tn as 78. What is Tn formula? A plus n minus 1 into t is equal to 78. We know a value is 3, plus I don't know n value. I need to compute this n only. This n will tell you what? Position of the term, esne term. See, if I write T10, you will say that sir is speaking about 10 term. How do you come to know this subscript? Since you do not know position of that term 78, which is asked to compute, we need to find out here n value. So 3 plus n minus 1 into t is 5 is equal to 78. So this plus 3 we will carry it to the right side. It becomes n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 78 minus 3. So n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 75. N minus 1 equal to 75 divided by 5. Cancel the terms. 5 ones are 5. 2 is left. 5 5s are 25. Right? So this is n minus 1 equal to 15. So what is n equals to? N equals to 16. So n equal to 16 means what? That 78 is our 16th term. Right? Questionary ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ರಿ ನಮಗೆ. ಈ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ 4 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ನೀನು ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 78 ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂತ ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ನಿನಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಿನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. Whenever you do not know position of any term, first what you need to do is you need to take it as what is, students? You need to take it as Tn. So since I do not know position of the term 78, I have taken it as what? Tn. So Tn will be equal to 78 according to nth term formula. Tn is nothing but a plus n minus 1 into d, which is 78. You know a value, put it. You need to compute n value. So you get n equal to 16. So hence, therefore, which term is 78? 16th term. So 16th term is our 78. This is the solution for this question. Okay. Dear students, it is very uncertain that when regular classes are going to start, and even government is going to reduce some part of your syllabus, right? So you are having lot of time right now. Use it for your preparation. Whatever the topics your teachers deal, always whenever you attend an online class, be ready with a notebook and pen. Copy the important things. Make the notes. Okay. Now, next question. A question of similar nature. This is a short question. Which term of the AP 21, 18, 15, so on is minus 81? This is the question. Already we have solved a problem of similar nature right now, is that not? So first we will note down the given AP. Yes. So here given AP is what? 21, 18, 15, so on. Okay. Now, as you go on writing down all the terms of this arithmetic progression, somewhere you get minus 81. You need to find out which term that is our minus 81. Okay. So we will note down A value. What is A value here? 21. That is first term. D, how do we compute it? T2 minus T1. T2 is our 18 minus T1 is our 21. So 18 minus 21 is our minus 3. D value. Right? I do not know exactly what is the position of the term minus 81. Whenever we do not know position of the term of the arithmetic progression, we take it as Tn. Because that n subscript will tell us the position of the term. Are you getting my point? Now, let Tn be equals to minus 81. Is that clear? Whenever you do not know position of the term of the arithmetic progression, take it as Tn. This n value, if you find out, it will tell you what is the position of the term. What is Tn formula? It's a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 81. Further, here a value is 21 plus I don't know n, which I need to find out. N minus 1 into d value is minus 3 is equals to minus 81. Is that clear? Easily observe all the steps. Yes. Now, this is n minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 81 minus 21. So n minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 81 minus 21 is our minus 105. Is it not? So n minus 1 equal to this minus 3 is multiplied with this n minus 1. If I shift its sign, it will be divided by. So 105 divided minus 105 divided by minus 3. Minus and minus cancels out. So we get n minus 1 equal to 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. N minus 1 equal to 35. So n equals to what? 35 minus 1. If you take minus 1 to the right side, it becomes plus 1. 35 plus 1 is our 36. So we get n value as 36. Okay. This is the solution. So finally we will mention the conclusion. 36th term is minus 81. Okay, is that clear? Sorry, a small change here. Minus 81 minus 21. It's minus 102. This is minus 102. If you divide, this becomes 4. 3 3s are 9, 1 is left, 3 4s are 12. This is 34. N equals to 34 plus 1, 35. So 35th term is our minus 81. This is the solution for this question. Okay. So in tomorrow's session, we will consider next questions on the exercise 5.1.